Now we're gonna stretch this toe. Hopefully it's gonna stretch really nice because it was sitting for a little bit. Pull it softly underneath. Again, not with your nails, but with the soft fingers. And just go around little by little. I had to sneeze, but I went all the way on the other side of the house. Okay, so again, pull it like this, see? It's stretching really nice. See, it broke just a tiny bit, but that is just fine. You can always put and like go over this one. All right, now we're gonna bring the meat. We got the meat, and it might be hot. So if it's hot for you, you take a spoon and put it on the corners. I hope you can hear me. We're gonna do this other side. It is a little hot. The meat is hot. Oh, but it's okay. But if you don't also want it to constantly wash your hands, then you can of course use the spoon. I'm gonna leave the meat on the corner here. Now you take the bottom ones and put over this, like that. Stretch a little bit and then put it. Then take this and go like that. And now you can use your hands like this. Like half of this. Okay. Then we go on the other one. Now we're gonna cut it.